I had very good experience with Virgil. He came in and assessed everything and took my bill from very, very high to, very low, which was great because we're having a hard time keeping the bills down, but trying to stay cool at the same time. So we hired Virgil and he came in and replaced our AC unit. And after doing that, he lowered our bills tremendously. So when Virgil came in, he helped design a solar system that was compatible with my household. There's 7 of us inside the house. We're using a lot of energy. He designed a well-efficient energy plan for me, and it's really brought the bill down a lot. I think my highest bill now is 20 bucks. One thing I like about them is that they're on time all the time. I work maybe 6 minutes from my house, and every single time that I had to come over here and meet them, they were here before me. And that says a lot about a company.